how to create a Bitget wallet account on PC. Now go to Google and type Bitget wallet. Now click enter. Now after that, go to their website. Now as you can see, you can download on Windows, or you can select one of these browser. After that, create or click on like connect wallet. Now as you can see, if you click on it, if either you will scan this barcode, then you install it on your phone, or download on Chrome. Now I select download on Chrome. As you can see, add to Chrome, and now add extension. Now if you wait a few seconds to download the extension in your browser. Now after that, as you can see, our extension is added to our browser. Now if you want to show here in this top bar, now just click on this manage extension and click on this pin, and it will show you here. Now after that, click on create a wallet, or if you already have a wallet, click on import. Now for me, I will create our new wallet. Now after you create it, now as you can see, enter a password. Make sure to enter a strong password, and after you set up your password, now click next. Now as you can see here, make sure to save these phrases to a safe place, because you will need it in the next step. Now for me, I will take a screenshot. Now as you can see, and I will save it in a safe place. Now after that, if click on backup your recovery phrase or backup later. Now after you click on backup phrase, now they will ask you for the phrases. Now the word number 1, if you go back, you will see bubble. I will select bubble. Now the seventh word is memory. Now I select memory. The 11th word is apart. Now I select apart. Now click on next. Now as you can see, your wallet is in creation process, and congratulations, wallet successfully created. Now start exploring. Now as you can see, now you have a wallet on your PC. You can send, you can receive, you can swap, and you can buy. So this is how to create a Bitget wallet on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.